this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and today I have for you Modelones Nail Foil Glue Gel Kit. This is to apply foils. I got this off Amazon for $8.99. Comes with 2 bottles, which is beautiful. We're going to take one out because we don't need them both. On the back of the box, it's got customer service and it's got your warnings. This is nail hardener strengthener, which makes no sense to me because it makes no sense. But whatever, I'm not the manufacturer, it's not my company. It's a 15 ml bottle times 2. It's got thank you for your order. Application steps for nail foil stickers. We want you to file your nails. Apply a base coat. Number 3, you may apply a black gel polish, which I did on some nails. We got no crinkling. This is a Modelones black. I'm not going to be using all 5, but I have them out just in case. Apply a thin layer of foil glue. Cure with UV for 1 to 2 minutes. LED lamp 40 to 60 seconds. Spread the sticker foil partially on the nail surface. Freedom. I don't know why they put surface freedom. That makes no sense to me. And remove the sticker, which... Okay. Repeat steps 5 until you get the nail art design you like. Which foils, I mean... Unless you applied the glue gel again, or the foil glue, you can't put it on the exact same, I don't know, you can't put it on the exact same spot. If you have a pattern that you can just, a solid color where you can dab it, then you can do that. But when you got a solid color, you can't do that. Apply a base coat and cure for long-lasting result. UV lamp 2 minutes, LED lamp 60 seconds. Modelones Nail Foil Starter Kit. So there we have that. So we are going to take a squared nail because it's my fave. Oh, let me show you these first. I've got 2 patterns I'm going to do. First is this beautiful, beautiful one. I thought it was like a marble, but Diana says it's like an abalone shell. I'll have to take her word for it because I don't know. The next one we're going to do, and I hope you can see this on camera. Isn't that cool? So I'm going to put this one on as well. There starts Instagram. It's that time of the morning. So I'm going to put the glue gel on. Oh, I should do more than 1 nail at a time. We're going to do 2 for each pattern. Or 1 nail for each pattern. You know what I mean. Don't be sloppy Susie with this. You could apply a thin coat, they say. And that on there, my dear, is way too thick of a coat. So we're going to try and spread it out on this nail. Take some of this off. Because you don't need all that much. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, I ask you to do so now. It is, was, and always will be free. You won't see my channel ever, no matter how the size of it, with one of those, what do they charge you, $5 a month extra? For extra content? That's okay. My content is free. I'm going to pop these in the lamp for 60. And let that cure. We're going to start with this pattern here, which I just love. Love, 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 love. So I'm just going to cut me a small sliver. Well, Yeah, that's small. Put this off to the side. These came from AliExpress in one of these little containers. Just show you that just in case. So yeah. Yeah. And I have my silicone tool here, which is what we're going to mash it all over the nail with. Rub it on there. Hope you're all staying safe from the virus. Michigan, the state I live in, isn't shut down until further notice, I guess. Which is fine by me. I'd rather be safe than sorry. I did go out yesterday to the store for some necessities. I have a doctor's appointment today that I have to keep for my son. Other than that, we're in lockdown. We ain't coming out. We are not coming out. Whoops. I'm going to drop that. I'm going to carry this sliver off here from how they cut it. Okay, get your silicone tool. Rub this all over the nail, and I really hope this works. I really hope this works. I'm really anxious to see. Really anxious to see. I'm just going to rub this in because I don't know. And hope it transfers. Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm not even in frame. Seeing how well that didn't work. Let me try something real quick. Let me try something. Okay, I have wiped the back of it with alcohol. And we're going to try this again. That was rather disappointing, because in the title of this video it's going to say, does it work? Or did it work? And I followed the directions, to the T. So what I did this time was wipe the back of it off with alcohol. I can't remember who it is. I don't know if it's Robin Moses that said to do that. Some people use acetone. Oh, this is disappointing. Oh, but if, well... See, this to me is not how you're supposed to do this pattern. I mean, I guess you could. But I prefer the one-shot deal. So, does it work? Not like how I've seen others do with other foil glues. I mean, it's not bad. But it didn't turn out like I anticipated. So, for my next demonstration, and I don't know which side is up and which side isn't, which is the bad part. Because they both have, well, I guess this would be the back, okay? Let me cut us a sliver. Whoops. I got the big scissors out. I'm going to take my now dried grit-free wipe off the back of it, let that air dry. I really hope this works. One-shot deal. I mean, it looks like it's transferring. Well, we have a clear, but we shall see. We shall see. Should we see? Peel it off? Well, this is going to do the same way. I'm glad this is not for a review. I'm not exactly happy. I mean, comment down below if anybody has this for Model 1s. I don't think I'm doing it wrong. So I don't know. So yeah, there's the end of that one as well. I don't think that one just kind of maybe look different after it's top coated. I think it just looks like a hollowy mess. So let's get our top coat. I'm going to use Top It Off by Beatles. You can get this and the foundation base. I believe it's $8.99, $8.49, something like that on Amazon. If you hurry and get your orders in, because I think it's all at the U.S. You're going to only be shipping essentials. Gel polish is not an essential. Nail supplies is not an essential to survive. Food, dog food, you know, just the essentials. Toilet paper, paper towels. I hope there's no price gouging going on there, because I know there are some stores that are doing that with the crisis, and it's just really lame. That's just my opinion. But in Michigan, they're going to update probably around 11 o'clock when the governor comes on. We are around almost 2,300 infected in Michigan. People stay inside, stay away from people, and it's only going to get worse from this point on for, like they said, I think 2 weeks. So my heart is so heavy. I'm a Christian woman. I believe God is going to bring us through this, but you still have to be careful and take precautions. And putting these in the lamp for 60 seconds. Whoops. So that's in there, or those are in there. So yeah, we got that going on. Next, what is today? Thursday. The 26th already. Holy cow! This month was really flying by. Next week I'm going to do. I don't know if you can see this. This is really beautiful. I got this from RossiNails.com. Along with some beautiful, I don't know what sizes are, but they're big. Some beautiful gems. We'll do a manicure with both of these. And put this back in the box. Thank you all for coming, for watching, for your support. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. I'm trying to reach my goal of 1K, so please spread the word. Please subscribe. Give me a full view, because with reaching the 1K, you need watch time. I don't know where I'm at on that list. I need to figure that one out real quick, but I'd appreciate it, ladies, gents, family, and friends. Okay, let's see how we are now. Well, the Halloween mess looks way better top coated. It looks like we just got like silvery blue hollow, which, you know, we could go with that. That's fine. That's beautiful. This is that abalone nail, abalone shell nail. I don't know, but it don't look like the pattern on the paper. So, but it is beautiful. I don't know what to give this product. I don't know if I should give this 2 thumbs up. Don't give it 2 thumbs up, because it didn't transfer like I wanted it to, or like I was hoping it would, or it should have. But there you go. Food for thought. Take it for what it is. Comment down below. Give me a like, a share. And please subscribe. We can always use more subbies. We are almost at 800. We're like at 781, I think. So yeah. Tell your friends, your mother, your brother, your sister, your co-workers who are laid off currently. So, what else do we have to do besides nails? Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.